Hello class, I'm Travis Leonard, and today I will be discussing some actions and strategies for the Mohawk Valley Wild Turkey Management Plan. In this presentation, we will be going over the topic, its vision statement, some management alternatives, and what measurements will be taken to make this a successful plan. The topic of this plan is really to reduce the number of conflicts between the turkeys and the stakeholders in the Mohawk Valley, which are farmers, ranchers, and its more urban residents. As you can see from the picture here from the New York Times, turkeys can easily become a nuisance animal, especially to residents as they come into towns looking for easy meals. The vision statement has slightly been modified. Here we're really looking to create long-lasting partnerships with stakeholders now to enable future growth and diversity in the environment. These partnerships make and break this plan. Without the help from the stakeholders, the plan would be destined to fail. With the management plan relying so heavily on property owners, there are only minimal things that can be done outside to help, which for instance will be these management ideas, alternative management ideas. This would be to lower harvest rates in the area to counter some of the removals the farmers and ranchers are conducting with the nuisance animals. Another management alternative is to try and control the population of predators. However, due to the sheer amount of predators, which according to James Kennerman consist of snakes, skunks, crows and ravens, possums, raccoons, rodents, dogs, coyotes, hawks, owls, foxes, cougars, and eagles, would be nearly impossible. Though these animals may prey on turkeys in different life cycle stages, they are too plentiful to control. With this implementation and the work put in by the stakeholders, the success would be based off of surveys from stakeholders as well as local infrastructure in the area to calculate data for reduced numbers of turkeys being required to be euthanized, hit by cars, eliminated by ranchers, farmers, or residents, and complaints due to property damage or turkeys being aggressive towards people. Overall, I hope you enjoyed this presentation and have an understanding of how some of the actions will be taken, and as well as how this plan will be assessed for its success. Thank you for listening, and please see the references on the final slide.